Hello, in this video I want to show you how to optimize games for your Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. And to do this, I'll be using the GeForce Experience software. You can download it from Nvidia main site and install it. When it's ready, you can click on any games. It should actually detect all of the games installed on your device. So click on the game. You can also launch it if you want, but we're going for optimization. So right here we have Cyberpunk 2077, and we can here see all of the settings that are current and they are optimized. You can also click on this custom settings right here and optimize the game for a specific need, like performance or quality. In this case I'm going full quality and full screen obviously, and also the highest resolution for my PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.